Last year at the Emmys, when you won your award, you dedicated it to the trans community, saying thank you for your courage, thank you for your stories, and thank you for your inspiration. Has there been a particular moment or a story that someone shared with you over the years that stood out to you the most?
There's been a lot. I do remember at a film festival, and this family came over to me and said, "Can we talk to you?" And I said, "Sure." And they said, "We love the show." And I said, "Well, thank you." And they said that their son, their young son, refused to go to baseball practice anymore. And he came home one day and said, "Mom, Dad, I'm just, please don't send me back there." And they said, "Why?" And he said, "Mom, Dad, I'm not a boy, please." And they said, "Well, what's going on?" He said, "When I grow up, I want to be Katy Perry." And they said because they had our show and because they were inspired by our show, they were able to take a pause and listen to their son, and they shared that with me, and I treasure that.